held on tight every night.
Distance tried, but love stayed strong. Kay Lord, di kami pinabayaan kailan na.
Cheer through every call. God's grace carried.
When time tried to break our plan,
He showed it. We've been through fire, we've been through rain, but His love kept healing the pain. In every test we faced through the faith. Ich liebe dich, my heart will stay forever with you. Come what may, God roll.
Hello guys and welcome back again sa ating video for today. So andito tayo sa labas guys at mayroon tayong aatinan na wedding. Another ninang time. So andito tayo sa Taguig. Ayan. So sa nakita nyo guys, ito yung bagong City Hall ng Taguig.
Coverage.
And then andito
Sa ating
kung naunang nakarating dito.
kasal dito.
First, early bird.
Ninang po today.
So, agayos lang ako dito and then habang inaantay ko yung ating bride. So, ito ay civil wedding and yung ating kulay ng ating damit ay blue tayo ngayon. So, ayun, nag-ano lang ako dito, ayos konti ng aking mukha dahil kararating ko lang ng labas.
Halika na! Ito ba yung kakasal? Oo.
Ay! Natuloy din! Si Maya sa CR.
Morning! Morning!
Ito.
Oh, ito na yung aming...
Hoy!
Ganda naman ng bride namin.
Ay, di ba doon tayo sa bahay nyo? Silid. Hindi ba nakakaya?
Hindi mo pa nakita! Nagtitiis na sila eh. Anong ikaw lang? Ikaw lang? Laki ng bayad nitong bride na to.
Ano, grabe siya.
Laki ng bayad ng bride na to. Sa akin.
Ayan na.
Hire for this day.
Anong bayad?
Hindi sa'yo dyan, yung bayad ko, joke. Joke lang.
Ayan, mababayaran din kita.
Ano yung ba? Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun?
Alam mo ba, dapat may lakad pa kami kahapon ni Levi sa Antipolo.
Oh,
Sabi ng asawa ko, pupunta ka pa dun. Eh, okay sana kung umaga.
rest ka nga eh.
Kaya ang layo-layo, tapos mag-aasikaso pa nga ng gagawin.
Ano?
Nag-ano kasi siya, nag-financial, seminar sa...
Power.
Ay, baka kinuha ng asawa ko yung set.
Alam nyo ah.
Ay, dati oh. Therapy na lang.
Talaga ko yung special. Wala na kasi ako mga white.
7:30. Wala pa lang signal dito.
Our task for today. Ninang with ano? Meron na ba doon? Bright?
Ang ganda ng camera na ito.
Oh, ganda ko.
Talaga, eh, ako.
Akala ko ako ang maganda. Ganito kayo. Sabi ng anak mo, Mama, ang aga naman. Ay, huwag mong anuhin yan ha, kasi nakadikit lang yan ha.
Ito, Teo.
Hindi, papunta pa ako dyan.
7:30, ano pala? Ito pa ngayon ko.
Diba?
Maggaganito pa ba ako? Hindi na.
Ha?
Headband?
Hindi na. Number na yan. O, gagawa ko na agad ng dahil.
Wow, thank you. Nagkalimutan ako.
Ay, anong tayo nangyari kaya no? Parang hindi siya nagparamdam ah. Sabi ko nga. Kau.
Ako?
Ikaw, ano ba yung perfect? Ang perfect!
Na guys. Oy, ang aming bride. Hi. Oy, ka-pretty naman.
Picture na tayo.
Worth to wait.
Ich liebe dich. It means I love you. 10 long years I held on tight. Every prayer whispered through the night. Distance tried, but love stayed strong. Kay Lord, di kami pinabayaan kailanman.
Through every tear, through every call, God's grace carried it all, even when time tried to break our plan.
He showed his miracles, his mighty hand.
We've been through fire, we've been through rain, but His love kept healing the pain. In every test we found His way. Now here we stand today. It was worth to wait. Through the years, through the fate, ich liebe dich, my heart will stay forever with you, come what may. God wrote our story page by page. Love and grace, no time can cage.
It was worth to wait.
Ich liebe dich.
From miles apart to holding hands, from prayers to wedding bands, what seemed impossible became so real.
'Cause God's love sealed the deal.
In last minute trials we didn't fall.
Jesus stood and carried it all.
Now we shine in His embrace, forever thankful for His grace.
It was worth to wait. Through the years, through the faith, ich liebe dich, my heart will stay forever with you, come what may. Every moment, every day, God has led us all the way. It was worth to wait. It was worth to wait.
Ich liebe dich. My heart says, worth to wait.
Ich liebe dich.